Look, everyone, it's nice here. I admit it. But we need to go home.
We can have a whole new life here, Woody. A chance to make kids happy again.
Why don't you stay? Yeah, Woody, stay with us.
Come on, Woodstock.
I can't. No, guys, really. No! I have a kid. You have a kid. Andy. And if he wants us at college or in the attic, well, then our job is to be there for him. Now, I'm going home. Anyone who wants to join me is welcome. Come on, Buzz. Buzz?
Our mission with Andy's complete.
What?
And what's important now is we stay together.
We wouldn't even be together if it weren't for Andy. You too, Jesse. Whose name is written there?
Maybe Andy doesn't care about us anymore.
Of course he does. He cares about all of you. He was putting you in the attic. I saw. You can't just turn your back on him now.
Woody, wake up! It's over! Andy, it's all grown up!
Okay, fine. Perfect. I can't believe how selfish you all are. So this is it? After all we've been through. Bullseye, no. You need to stay. Bullseye, no, I said stay. Look, I don't want you left alone in the attic, okay? You stay.
Bonnie? Bonnie?
I gotta go.
Bonnie? You in here?
Better.
Bonnie! Oh, there you are. Come on, Louise, time to go home.
Oh, no, I can't believe this is actually happening.
Oh, it's gonna be okay, Bullseye.
Woody's going to college with Andy. It's what he's always wanted.
Ah, he's crazy. College is no place for a toy.
Toys are for playtime.
Oh, speaking of playtime, they're lining up out there.
How many?
There must be dozens.
I can hardly wait.
Places, everyone.
And players, I'm gonna get played with.
Rex?
Come to Papa.